An F string is the modern way to build strings in Python. The F prefix turns the string into a template. Anything in braces gets evaluated. Most people stop at basic interpolation. There are 7 more things you can do, all inside the same braces. 7 F string patterns coming up. Basic interpolation. The format spec mini language for numbers, alignment, and percentages. Expressions inside braces. Method calls. Indexing. Arithmetic. The equals shortcut for print debugging. The bang flags for repr, str, and ASCII. Multi-line templates with triple quotes, and date formatting with ** time codes, all in the same brace syntax. Seven things you can do with F strings. On a tiny demo with a name, a price, and a date. Open nvim. Save as f_string_examples.py. 1 import. Date from datetime. Set up the demo values. A name, a price, a count, and today's date. Pattern 1. Basic interpolation. The F prefix makes it a template. The braces get evaluated and dropped in. Simplest case, what most people already know. Pattern 2. Format spec. After a colon inside the braces comes the format mini language. Comma for thousand separator. .2f for 2 decimals, greater than 6 for right padding to width 6, % for percentage. Pattern 3. Expressions inside the braces, not just variables. Indexing, function calls, method calls, arithmetic. Anything that evaluates to a value works. Pattern 4. The equals shortcut, added in Python 3.8. fbrace-x equals prints both the expression and the value. The killer feature for print debugging. Pattern 5. Conversion flags. Banger for repr, bangs for str, banger for ASCII. Banger is the most useful. It quotes strings in the output, so you can tell 5 apart from the number 5 in debug logs. Pattern 6. Multi-line F strings. Triple quotes. Embed values across lines. Useful for printing structured reports. Pattern 7. Date formatting. The format spec accepts ** time codes. No need to call ** time separately. Drop the format right into the braces. Save and run. Each pattern produced the expected output. The format spec gave the dollar amount with separator, the right padded count, the percentage, the equals shortcut printed expression and value. The banger flag quoted strings. Multi-line gave the report. The date formatted with ** time codes. Three things to take away. First, the F prefix makes the string a template. Anything in braces gets evaluated, including expressions, method calls, and indexing. Second, the format spec mini language lives after a colon, comma for thousand separator, .2f for decimals, percent for percentage, *f time codes for dates. Same syntax as the old format method. Third, the equals shortcut for print debugging. fbrace-deb-x equals prints both the expression and the value. Once you start using it, you won't go back. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.